How to fix Spotify not working? Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check the Spotify server status. For that, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website Detector. Now search for Spotify. If you found out any outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved. If there is no issue, you can follow these steps. First, close and reopen Spotify. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen, close the app, wait for a few minutes and then relaunch it. Next up, check your internet connection. So, launch your Settings app. You can switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Also make sure you have stable internet connection. Next up, update Spotify. So close this. Launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Spotify. If you find the option of update, click on it and update the app. Next up, log out and log in back. So launch it. Click on the profile icon. Click on Settings and Privacy. Click on Log Out. Wait for a few seconds and again log in back. Log in again. This refreshes your section and can fix glitches. Next up, make sure you are not connected to any VPN or proxy. Spotify may block access if you are using VPN. Likewise, make sure you have enough storage in your device. Spotify may not work properly if your device is low on storage. And that's it. These are some fixes for Spotify not working on a device. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.